Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Spark 2, my wish list, coming right up. Before I get to my wish list, I want to preface this by saying this is my wish list. This is not from any rendering or drawing or anyone's imagination. This is based upon my experience in owning the Spark. So without further ado, we're going to jump into my wish list. Here we go. Number one on my wish list for a DJI Spark 2 would be OcuSync. The benefits that it would provide as far as transmission range is incredible. Number two on my list is to have a controller with the same type of display as the Mavic Pro. To have that telemetry data is absolutely invaluable, even in case your DJI Go 4 app may fail. The next one on the list is higher ground clearance. I think we all know the benefits of that without having to put on aftermarket landing gear. I would also like to see DJI use a better gimbal with a cover on it, a lot like you see with the Mavic Air. The next one I would like to see would be folding arms. The number one thing that I liked about the Spark was its portability. However, not being able to fold those arms meant that you had to have a case that's specifically designed for that, and having folding arms would make a huge difference with that. I'd also like to see them come up with some quieter props for the Spark. I know when I tried flying that inside, it was quite noisy, so I think that would definitely help as well. I'd also like to see them be able to do a longer runtime, whether that would be through an extended battery, the quieter props, or new electronic speed controllers, ESCs. I would also like to see some type of 360-degree sensor. I know they're talking about that for a possible Phantom 5. I'd like to see them be able to, and also for a Mavic Pro 2, I would like to see them be able to get that down to the Spark as well. And again, I just want to let everybody know there's nothing out on the horizon that really indicates that there is a Spark 2 coming out. However, I do know, and I did take a look out there, some certain colors on DJI's website to be able to order the Spark are out of stock, not on the Flymore combo, but on the drone with the controller itself. So just wanted to make you guys aware of that. Again, to echo what I said earlier, this is my wish list. This is not from anyone's imagination. This is totally based upon my wonderful experience with the DJI Spark. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone industry and anything, of course, that's DJI related. Also, check out my Twitter page as well, where I do post daily updates. Thanks for watching and happy flying.